Imran Ali. Take it up. Open it. Be careful. Stand up. Now just open. Wow, it's YouTube. What's that? Show me the letter. Congratulations for surpassing 100,000 people to subscribe to your channel. Wow. Thank you. What's inside? Let's see. Wow, it's amazing. Yes, this is what I was waiting for. A silver button, huh? I received that. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you, my subscribers. You subscribe and you're among them in 100,000. Let's have a fight. It's YouTube silver button I got on 100,000 subscribers. And this looks pure one. Let's open it. Yeah, could you unpack this shopper? Uncover it. Yeah, it's clearly looks now. Move back. It's solid. That's fine. Now it's time to show people, to friends, to make it proud, and to show our subscribers that they have really given me an amazing prize as a gift, as a silver button that I have got. Thank you very much. Now let's show you the secret behind this success. I'm in the village where I born in, and this one is my basic secret to get success among getting this button. Now I'm going to show you my school where I got education. After this is my way where I pass by to go to my school. Now I'm going to school to show you where I got education in my basic life, in my earlier life. Well, this is the way where I go through to my way to get into school. And this pound is my favorite one. I will show you in my Google map. And the way where I'm going now is fine now, but before, in my earlier life, about 16th year ago, where I used to go, it was different one. Now where I am going is to my school. I'll show you. Just I'm memorizing my way to school. That one is, as you can see. Well, this is the school which you can see, my earlier life school. And there is another pond, the mud water. And there is another thing to show you. Happy birthday. Well, the school which you can see in front of is new build. But the earlier, I will show you inside behind this building. This is the new built building. I have never seen it before. Well, here, whenever I pass by over here, I was afraid my heart started trembling because of the punishment of the teacher getting late in the platform, the ground of the school, where all of the students assemble in one place to make dua. लब पे आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी. You have to listen from here. That is the assembly ground, and the original school building is here on the camera. As you can see, I have been getting punishment a lot of time over here, and one of the heart beating building, exactly this one. It's Sunday, so it's off today. This building is exactly where I used to study. Well, here it is pasted now. As you can see, this is my school, so it's an honor to be here. After a long time I came here. Exactly, this looks suitable for my school and it deserves to be here. That's why I just pasted, because I got my education from this school, exactly. And it deserves. This one building room, and this was my school in my earlier life. This one is my basic learning stage, the permanent whiteboard where I got learning my alphabets and ABC. I learned from here, exactly. It's it.
English. English. Subscribe.
What? Subscribe.
Subscribe.
EA English.
English.
Subscribe our channel.
Subscribe our channel.
What?
What?
Subscribe our channel.
Subscribe.
EA
English.
English. EA
English.